Hi, welcome back to Sparkling Glue. I'm so glad you're here. Okay, we have another one-page wonder, only because they're so fun. So it's with a 12 by 12, and I'm calling it Hidden Pockets. So let me show it to you. The size is 7 by 4, so it's a little bit of a longer one. But then you can put your taller pockets in here. You have a little belly band with places that you can put some tags. And then there's a pocket here. And a little piece of a tag. And so the paper is House of Roses from Stamperia. And here is a little pocket that you can just do a slide in there. And then you have another belly band going the other way where you can slide note cards or whatever you want. And then these are the hidden pockets. So if you're using a cardstock, here I'll show you, that's pattern, you can hardly see them. Now I did cut notches if you really want them to be completely hidden. Don't do the notches, but I just thought that I wanted them so I could slide little things in and out of the pockets. And but up to you. So, and I'm going to show you how to make this, and we're going to make all the little tags to go in. I have a cutting guide. Let me put that up here on the screen for you. Here you go. So the cutting guide's up on the screen. I'll also have it for free in the Ko-fi shop. The link will be down below in the description. But if you'd rather just take a screenshot or a picture or something to have with you right now, go ahead. Alrighty. And so let's go ahead and make this. And it's actually pretty easy. I know I say that, but I try to make them as easy as I can. So it's really only a few cuts. So you're going to take a 12 by 12, and this paper I think I bought from Walmart online. Just 12 by 12 floral. I don't know if they have it anymore or what it's called, but so your base is 12 by 7. So the card stock's already 12. So we're just going to put this right up on the 7-inch and cut. Okay, and put that to the side. And then on your 5 by 12 that's left, you're going to cut a 1/2 inch off for your belly bands. And that's pretty much the cutting with the, we are going to cut a few of those pockets out, but all right. So the first thing we're going to take is your larger piece, which is your 12 by 7. And we're going to score at 4 and 8. And that is going to make your little book. What you want to do on the right side, so when you're holding, make sure you're holding your paper how you want it. Turn, and we're going to score this at 2, and you're only going to go up to the score line right here that on the 8 that we did, and then 4.5. So we scored this way, and here's your 8-inch score line. Turn your paper, score at 2 and 4.5, but only up to your score line. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we are going to cut these 2 score lines that we just made, the 2 and the 4.5, and you're going to go just right before the larger score line. So just make a cut, and you don't want to go past it, and you maybe want to leave just a little right before it if you can. Let me make sure I'm in screen, and I'm just cutting right to there. And then these make your pockets, and we're going to glue that down, and you see how they kind of look hidden. So this is where you can leave it like, do that, or we can make the notches, which I'm going to do on this. I'm using a 1.5 inch And then all I'm going to do is go ahead and notch out at the tops for each of them. Okay, and we're not going to glue yet. We're bringing back our other piece, which is, I'm calling it the flip page. It's 12 by 4.5 is what it should be. On the 12, you're scoring at 7 and then 9.5. Okay, paper. And on the 4.5 inch side, you're scoring at a 1/2 inch. Okay, now we're finished with the scoreboard. And what you want to do is you're going to cut these two pieces off. So cut right here at the 7, and then just get rid of this 1/2 inch here that we just scored. Okay, now you're going to miter these two corners because these are your, this is your flip page. And just fold that down. Okay. And now this is going to make your pocket. So you're going to fold it up and then down. Okay, so what you have here is your pocket here, and then this is going to be your pocket on this side. So let me just straighten this. I left a little here. I'm going to trim that off. Okay, so now I'm doing a little notch here. And I'm just going to put it right there. Okay. And if you want to just push down to get nice creases. Okay. I'm using art glitter glue. And what you're going to do with this tuck spot is you're going to put glue on the back and the top. Just like that. And press down. And now you made your little tuck pocket. And then flip it down and just put glue on both sides to make your regular pocket here. And okay, so now you have a pocket here and you have your pocket on the side. And now we're going to bring back our book, and you're going to put glue just on the tab here. And you're going to glue it right up to the score line, right here. Just then, for these pockets, we're going to just glue them over like this. So all you're going to do for all three is put glue on the bottom and up one side. And then turn it over and glue it down. And do the same thing, bottom, up the side, and flip over and press down. Okay, and then our last one, again, just across your bottom and up the side. Okay, so now we have it. And you have your 3, and I mean, because this paper is the same on both sides, it really, it's hard to tell that they're pockets, but all right, and so that's our book, or our little folio. And now this is your little belly band, and this right here is 7, so you want to just cut it a drop under 7. So you can do it on the cutting guide, or you can just measure. And I'm just going to put glue at the top and the bottom, and then we're going to do, it wasn't dry yet, another little belly band here. And you can do it either way. So you can do one this way and this way, however you like it. And then this is going to be just, you want to measure a little under. So I'm just going to cut it right there and put glue on either side, and then just kind of line it up in the middle for your other belly band. All right. And you have a couple little pieces left. Not sure what we can do with those, but all right. Now I made, we can work on our tags. So the tags are not part of your 12 by 12. They're extra. And you can make whatever tags you want. Oh, see, on this one, I did the belly band across and then the long one here. So either way, that's up to you. And I'll bring this back. And then we have our flap tag, which is, let's see, so 3.5. Most of the tags, let's do 3.5 first. Those are the hidden pocket tags. So they're 3.5 by 2. And another one that's by 2.5. And then another one that is 2.5. Okay. And you can just use scrap paper that you have for these. So those are our 3 tags for the hidden pockets. And then your flap tag is 3.25. So I'll put that there. And it is by 2. Okay, so that's our flap tag. And then I didn't really measure the larger tags here, but let's see, they're about 2.5 by 5.5 for that one. And or you could probably, let me see what this one is. This one's 3 by 6.5. So you can make them whatever size you want. And then like this is just a little piece of cardstock I folded and with some scraps glued it on the front. But anyway, let's do 3. And we'll do, if we do 6, then we can get 2 out of that. Put in here. One here. One here. We have another one here. Let's do 2.5 for this one. And I'll do this maybe by 6 as well. Okay, then we get 2 more. And we can decorate, slide them in here. Okay. And then whatever you want to do for little tabs. So you can make them. I'm going to just use my little tab punch because I like it. And I'm only going to do it single because that's, since it's all the same cardstock. And, okay, let's put these over here. And then I'm going to just glue my little tabs down. And I just put it, when I do the single, I just put it on this bottom piece here. And glue it on. And you can ink these so they stand out a little more than what we're doing. And the rest of these are going to be right in just the middle. So just put some glue and just glue that on. And you can just cut these out of, you know, make little rectangles or whatever you want. Okay, so this one I did on the side because it's our side tag. And let's just open this up wherever got extra glue around and slide that in. And then, so you have two that are larger and those go in the bottom pockets. And then I'm just getting the glue. And you want to be careful when you do this so you don't rip your paper, but it does definitely help open up the pocket for your tags because the glue spreads. So there we go. All right. And now we can decorate the front, add whatever you want. And you have your belly band here. And I glued a little, oh, let me show you what that is. So all I did, this is a double-sided solid cardstock. And all I did is punch out a butterfly and folded it in half. So which I thought came out kind of cute. And then I added some little butterflies around just to decorate. So you can certainly do that. And then, so you have your belly band, you have your pocket here, you have your pocket here, you have your other belly band with some tags, and then your 3 hidden pockets. And there we are. We did it. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one-page wonder, and I hope you get to make it. And thank you so much for crafting with me and stopping by my channel, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care.